Hello children, today again I am going to teach you the same chapter linear inequation for class 10. Today the question is little bit different. In last video you could see where x belonged to r means real number, but today x belongs to I. You will find x belong to n, and you may also find x belongs to w. Here I means integer, n means natural number, and w means whole number. Now integer means any positive number or a negative number is called integer, but it should not be decimal or it should not be fraction. And w means whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. No negative number can be taken in whole number, and natural number begins from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means all positive number beginning from 1 is called natural number, and natural number and whole number cannot be in decimal. So little bit different. Last time we all discussed regarding r, that is real number. Today we will discuss all about I, w and n. This is question, as you all know. Here the first expression and second expression is taken in case 1, second and third one is taken in case 2, and target is same. We will try to take the x in such a way that we get positive value of x. As you could see, here also we have x, here also we have x, but who is greater x? I will say this is 1x, but this is 2 point something. That means this x is greater. That means this x will remain in the same place, and this 1x will come this side and become minus x. And when x comes this side, automatically numbers will shift to the other side. Minus 3 and this minus 2. It is minus 5, and when we do LCM here, our final result is 8x minus 3x. 8x minus 3x is 5x by 3. Now x is on the wrong side. When we shift the whole part of x to the left hand side, this symbol which was facing towards 5x by 3 also will change, and it will again face 5x by 3 but on the other side, and minus 5 will come here. And when I make x alone, 5 will come and divide, and 3 will go and multiply, and 5 gets cancelled. It is x is greater than equal to minus 3. And here case 2, now this is 2 point something x, this is 2x. That means 2 point something is more than 2x. That means 2x will come this side because this is greater x, and minus 2 will go that side. And here also, while doing LCM both the side, we could see here when there is 3 at the base and the denominator, we can cancel, and here we got 8x minus 6x 2x, 14 minus 6 is 8, and when 2 will go and divide, it will become 4. So here no need to change this symbol because x is in the correct side. And now there is little bit difference in number line here. As you could see, when we use this ascending order symbol, this symbol, the greater number comes to the right hand side, the smaller number comes to the left hand side. So minus 3 comes here, 4 comes here. So in this case what will happen now? This equal to symbol is in both the part, we put it, and x belongs to I. But here this is one small difference you will find. Now integer means all positive and negative numbers. That means what does this solution set say? It says that value of x is equal to 4 but less than 4, and here value of x is greater than minus 3 and equal to 3. That means value of x will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because you cannot take more than 4, equal to 4, and you cannot take even less than minus 3. So minus 3 and 4 is the border. And now when we plot, now you can see difference between the last video and this, that number line is different. Here for every number we have to put circle and make it dark, and in last video you could see this kind of diagram was there. One circle at the one border, the other circle on the other border, and join them and then make it deep like this. But today you can see not like that. Every number will have a circle. Now example 2 also I want to say, it is natural number. When you find the solution, here you got x is greater than minus 1, and here you got x is less than equal to 11 by 3, which is 3.66. And when you do this, here you can see here that x is greater than -1 but less than 3.66. But n means natural number, that means we can take only 1, 2, 3. Why? Because minus number cannot be taken in natural number, and 0 also cannot be taken. Why not 4? Because x is less than 3.66. That means we cannot take 4. That's why we will make a number line 1, 2, 3. Now I have given you some question, children. So in that question, same thing, w means whole number. Whole number means number beginning from 0, 1 to till end. But in this case less than 5. So here our border will be 4. And you can see all the hint I have given here and answer also. Please try to find the solution of these questions I have given as homework. It's very easy. You make circle for every number line. So this is the difference. Thank you, children.